Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, sometimes you don't want a shuffled mix or random playlist, you want to experience an album the way the artist intended, from track 1 to the end. And the best way to do that without interruptions is to download the whole album for offline listening. Whether it's a classic rock masterpiece, a new hip hop drop, or a jazz collection. Downloading an album in Amazon Music means you can listen anywhere, anytime, with perfect flow and zero buffering. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to download an album for offline listening in Amazon Music app. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, we're gonna go and talk about the Amazon app or the Amazon Music app. For example, you are using an iPhone, Android, whatsoever. Open the Amazon Music and find the album you want to download. You can search for it, find it in the artist page, or basically find any song and tap on view album, and it will take you automatically to the album. Now tap on the album cover to open the album main page. You will see the track list, release info, and even artwork. Look for the download icon or the cloud with the downward arrow. On an album page, you will usually find it near the top, next to the play or shuffle buttons. Sometimes it's in the three-dot menu in the corner. Tap the download icon, the app will begin downloading every track on the album. Then watch the progress. Each song will show a circling progress indicator, and the bar at the top shows overall album progress. When it's fully done, you will see check marks next to all the tracks you have downloaded. To listen offline, you can easily go to your library, downloads, albums, then the album will be there ready to play without internet. And that was it for today. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.